guys, Happy New Year! I hope 2018 has been treating you well. It's been treating me alright. I'm so excited to be back. Oh, I cannot wait to share with you guys my goals for 2018. If that is something that you guys would like to see, please do let me know in the comment section below. My name is Miriam. If you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for joining me in 2018. I hope that you got into the new year alright. And if you're new to the channel, then hi! How are you? Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for following the link that led you here. Please do stay by just subscribing right here and also liking the video and subscribing right here again. And you can be a part of our amazing channel. So in today's video we are going to be discussing how I use this amazing soap on my hair as a DIY shampoo. So first and foremost, I have used Dudu Osun natural black soap, African black soap before, but I used it for my skin. It helped clean my skin so much. If you are new to the channel, then I have to reintroduce this little chat. I used to have the worst acne in the world, and when I wasn't using honey on my face, I used to use Dudu Osun black soap. And one of the reasons why I stopped using it was I used to find it very difficult to find it here in Port Elizabeth. But other than that, the soap is the bomb.com. Okay, it is the best thing to ever come after the bubblegum factory, after sliced bread. It's right there. Alright, so I've been doing research on, I've been doing research on my goals for 2018, and one of my goals is healthy hair and also unlocking my hair's growth potential. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys, and I'm going to go on a whole journey with you on this, so that if you guys would like to try some of these things, you can too. And African black soap DIY shampoos came up. They're amazing. They have great benefits because the soap itself has such amazing benefits. It's got so many products that help you get rid of dandruff, kill germs, nourish your scalp, get rid of itching, and all of these other problems that we have. So that is why I decided that I was going to try it. I've used African black soap before on my face, and it did wonders for my face. It didn't dry up my face, it got rid of my acne, it nourished my face, it helped my skin, you know, stay healthy. So as a result, I was like, okay, listen, I'm gonna try this on my hair. And also, I was in this group and this lady was talking about how her husband also tried it and it helped, like, well, he didn't know what it was. He just started using it and it was in the bathroom and it helped clear like his razor bumps, and ever since he's never gone back. So black soap is the bomb.com, without a doubt in my mind. So now I am hoping that it's going to do the same for my hair. So today's video is how I am going to be making my black soap shampoo, because I'm trying it for the first time. This is also a first impressions video. I think that had completely left my head. Like, I haven't filmed in so long that I'm starting to forget some of these things. So yes, it's also a first impressions. So at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you guys how I found African black soap and using it on my scalp, whether it was drying or not. So I hope you do enjoy the video. Like I said, this is a first impressions video, how I am going to make the black soap, African black soap shampoo, and also I forgot. So how I make it, how I use it, and my impressions of it. There you go. And then in about a month, we can come back and do a review, as well as maybe an update on if I've changed anything, added anything to it, and how it's working for my scalp and my hair. So this year we are unlocking our growth potential, and we are also dealing with any scalp and hair issues that we might have. So scalp health is at the top, and so is unlocking your growth potential. Please guys, do enjoy the video. Don't forget to leave me a like right here and also subscribe to my channel, because you guys are it. So guys, I love you so much. Mwah, 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 mwah. Okay, so what you're going to need is a mason jar. Size will obviously depend on how much black soap that you want to make, and then you'll need a knife, a grater, and of course your African black soap. There are two types of black soap. There's one from Ghana and one from Nigeria. The one that I'm going to be using today is made from Nigeria, and it's called Dudu Osun black soap. And this stuff is amazing. So the basic thing is, you're going to cut up your African black soap, you're going to put it in your mason jar, and then you're going to add water. I decided to use warm water that's slightly above room temperature because I don't want it to be too hot, and it takes about 2 hours to melt. And now for the benefits in the actual black soap itself. The black soap has honey, shea butter, camwood, palm kernel oil, cocoa pod ash, palm push ash, aloe vera, lime juice, and lemon juice. As you all know, honey is a humectant which helps attract and retain moisture. It replenishes the moisture in your hair whilst also adding vitamins and minerals to your hair. Shea butter is a natural conditioner which provides moisture and possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which is going to be great for your scalp and is going to be great for improving the health of your scalp too. It also protects your hair against heat and environmental factors. Black soap is brownish black in color, and the lighter black soap that is more on the brown side means that they've used more of the cocoa pod ash, black soap is rich in vitamin A and E. Palm kernel is known for its soothing properties. It moisturizes and conditions the hair whilst reducing shedding and balding. Black soap in general is well known for its to help cure and treat a wide range of scalp and skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, rashes, dandruff, dry and itchy skin, insect bites, bumps, cuts, wounds caused by various skin conditions. It's rich in vitamin E, and that's why the soap is largely known for its part in treating and healing conditions, the conditions that I just mentioned. This soap is enriched with vitamin E, which aids in the healing process and keeping your scalp and skin bright, healthy, rejuvenated, and clean, and it keeps your hair shiny, soft, and moisturized. So guys, with all of these benefits, I hope you understand why I've decided that I'm definitely going to make this a part of my part of my routine. Black soap also has moisturizing properties, which is why I like. Also, again, it's going to be great. The wash routine is very simple. Try in this trial period, I'm going to be just focusing the black soap on my scalp, and that's because I don't know if it's going to be drying on my hair strand itself. So all you have to do is, once your black soap has settled and everything has melted, all your soap has melted into the water, just apply it onto your scalp and just massage it through your scalp, focusing on washing your scalp more than your hair strand. Obviously you can work the black soap through your hair, but that's just fine. And now to tell you guys how it worked for my hair. I didn't find it stripping. After the wash routine, my hair still felt soft. It felt clean without feeling like it's been stripped of its natural oils. My scalp feels so clean. It stopped itching. So I'm hoping that using this for a longer period of time will now aid to its improvement and improved health. So guys, protective styling is also one of those things that I'm going to have on the list. I'm going to teach you guys, I'm going to share with you guys how to wear wigs, how to make sure that you keep your hairline, how to sprinkle some goodness on your hairline, all of that. So I did my wash and now I have a protective style on. I do really hope that you guys enjoyed watching the video, and if there's anything that you'd like me to share, any type of videos that you guys want to see on this channel, please don't hesitate. Let me know in the comment section, message me, DM me, and if you try the African Black Soap Shampoo, please do let me know what your results were, what you hated about it, what you liked about it, so that if there are any improvements that we need to make, we can make them together. Thank you so much for watching again. It's been amazing to be back. I love you guys so much. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye. Subscribe. Also like it, guys. Bringing the fire this year, guys. 2018. I told you, vibes. Okay, fine. I need to stop. Subscribe and what? No, subscribe and watch.